Group management is an exclusive NPS feature for instructors and employers. In this video you will learn how to use the group management platform to enroll individuals in NPS certification programs. You will also learn how to enhance their learning outcomes using features of group management. To gain access to group management, you will need to purchase your initial group management units, known as seats. To do this, you will need to contact an NPS senior advisor who will process your payment and provide you with access to your new group. Once your group is ready to be used, you can navigate to it using the left-hand menu in your NPS account. To open your menu, click on the blue button in the bottom corner of your screen. In the left-hand menu, select the option that says Manage Students. If you have already used group management prior to the version 2 release, you will be prompted to select the version of group management you wish to use. Select version 2 for the group management platform with the most advanced features. You will then use the drop-down shown on your screen to select your group. Groups are specific to certification programs. For example, if you provide resources for phlebotomy and for EKG, you will have a phlebotomy group and a separate EKG group. Now that you're in your group, let's discuss how to use it. The first button in your group says Add Seats. Without seats, you cannot add users to your group. Click on the Add Seats button anytime you need to purchase additional seats. Next you will select the quantity of seats you'd like to purchase. Keep in mind that seat prices depend on the number of seats purchased at one time. Every 5 seats added will add an additional discount. Once you have determined the quantity, click the blue Proceed to Checkout button. On the checkout page, you will see your discount that has been applied as well as the type of seats you are purchasing. This will ensure that if you have multiple groups, you are adding seats to the appropriate group. Further down on this page you can select your payment method and process your payment. Now that you have seats available, you can use the Enroll User button to add people to your group. Enrolling a user in your group will automatically create their NPS account and provide them with access to the certification materials associated with your group. This includes access to schedule and sit for the certification exam. Users cannot be removed from your group or have their access to certification materials restricted once they've been added. Upon clicking the Enroll User button, you will need to acknowledge those terms prior to moving forward. To enroll new users you will need their first name, last name, and their email address. Please be sure that the spelling of their first and last name matches their government-issued ID. When you're sure that you've inputted the user's information correctly, click the blue Enroll User button to add them to your group. Newly enrolled users will automatically receive an email with their login credentials. Now that you've enrolled users to your group, you will see them here. You can also search for individuals using their name or email. You will see information about your enrolled users in multiple columns. This includes their name and their email address. The Progress column will tell you the user's status as it relates to the certification process. Not started means that the user has not yet accessed any certification materials. In Progress means that the user has accessed materials but has not yet passed the certification exam. And Completed, indicating that the user has taken and passed the certification exam. The Access Expires column will tell you the date that the user's access to their certification materials will expire. NPS certification materials are available for 1 year from the date of a user's enrollment. When users in your group receive a certification, you will see their certification number in the certification column. You can click on the user's number to verify their certification. This is the same information that anyone verifying the user's certification on the NPS website will see. Certification numbers in the column are color-coded so you can easily tell if a user's certification is valid, nearing its expiration, or has expired. There is a Details button next to each user. This button will show you summaries of the user's practice and final exams. Here you can see the name of the exam that was taken, whether the user passed or failed their exam, and the date and time that the user took the exam. In the Statistics column, you will see a blue icon that looks like a piece of paper. Clicking this icon will open the user's score report for the correlating exam. When someone fails an exam, they are provided with a domain-based report. This report will indicate their performance in each of the domains that are included in the exam. The report can be used to determine areas where improvement is needed. When a user has passed their certification exam, their score report will list information about their testing sessions such as the date the exam was taken, the amount of time used to complete the exam, the outcome of the exam, and the score that was received. This report is also made available in the user's account, and can be printed by group leaders to save for their records. If you would like to begin using group management for your organization, please contact us so that we can assist you. Thank you for choosing NPS.